Waiting months for a software update can be frustrating, especially when new features are already available on other devices. If you own a Galaxy S24, you might be wondering if the upcoming One UI 7 update will be worth the wait. With Samsung's focus on AI-powered tools, some of the exciting features of the Galaxy S25 might actually make their way to older models. But does that really justify the long delay? Let's take a closer look. Samsung hasn't officially confirmed when One UI 7 will arrive, but if leaks are accurate, it could take until May 2025 for a stable release. That's quite a long time, considering Android 15 was launched in August 2024. However, there's good news. Samsung isn't keeping all the new AI features exclusive to its latest flagship. Reports suggest that the Galaxy S24 series could gain some powerful tools, which might make the wait more worthwhile. Insider sources indicate that 3 AI-driven features could be coming to the Galaxy S24 lineup: audio eraser, best faced, and log video recording. These tools aim to enhance media creation, making Samsung's software even more user-friendly. But what exactly do these features do, and how useful are they in real-world situations? Audio eraser is one of the most promising additions. This feature allows users to modify the sound in their videos by isolating or enhancing specific elements. For instance, if you record a video in a noisy setting, you can remove unwanted background sounds like wind, traffic, or conversations while keeping the main subject's voice clear. Alternatively, if a voice is too low, you can boost it for better clarity. While Apple offers a similar feature known as Audio Mix, Samsung's version is still developing. However, it could become a game changer for content creators who want more control over their recordings without using complex editing software. Another feature, Best Faced, is designed to improve group photos. It lets you swap a person's face with a better one from a series of shots, ensuring everyone looks their best. This is especially useful for situations where someone blinks, looks away, or has an awkward expression. Google's Pixel devices already offer a similar tool called Best Take, so it's interesting to see Samsung integrating its own version into One UI 7. Then there's log video recording, which is geared toward users who want more flexibility in video editing. It provides better control over color grading and post-production adjustments, making it ideal for those who edit their footage professionally. However, this feature may only be available on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, meaning standard S24 and S24 Plus users could miss out. Now the big question, when can you expect One UI 7? Samsung is currently rolling out beta versions before the final release. Based on previous updates, there are expected to be 6 beta stages, with Beta 4 likely arriving in February, followed by Beta 5 in March and Beta 6 in April. If all goes as planned, the stable version should be available in May 2025. That's a long wait, especially when other brands push out updates more quickly. Samsung is known for its extended software support, but the slow rollout can be frustrating for users who want the latest features as soon as possible. With Android 15 already out for months, waiting nearly a year for a full update doesn't reflect well on the company's update strategy. Aside from AI enhancements, One UI 7 is expected to introduce a refreshed design, improved customization options, and a smoother overall experience. Samsung is working to refine its software further, making it more intuitive and polished. The brand has always emphasized customization, and One UI 7 looks to expand on that, giving users even more ways to personalize their devices. But is all of this worth waiting for? While the new features sound exciting, the lengthy delay raises concerns about Samsung's update process. Should the company speed things up, or is the wait justified by the improvements? Let us know what you think in the comments, and if this video helped you stay informed, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Apple's design choices always spark debate, and the iPhone 17 is no exception. Many expected Apple to completely shift towards a Google Pixel-inspired design, but new reports suggest otherwise. While some models might embrace a fresh look, not every iPhone 17 variant will follow this trend. For those who appreciate Apple's classic design, this could be a relief. According to insider John Prosser, the standard iPhone 17 is expected to retain a familiar look, much like the iPhone 16. This means no drastic changes, no wide horizontal camera bar like the rumored iPhone 17 Air, and no major alterations to its overall shape. Instead, Apple seems to be sticking with a design that many users are already comfortable with. While some might crave a more modern aesthetic, others will likely appreciate the consistency. The iPhone 17 Air, on the other hand, is shaping up to be a significant departure from traditional Apple designs. Prosser's leaf suggests that this model will feature a wide horizontal camera bump, something reminiscent of Google's Pixel lineup. While this might feel fresh and modern, not every Apple user is excited about the change. Some believe it lacks originality and moves too far away from the company's signature look. Meanwhile, the Pro models are expected to keep their well-known triple camera setup, but the camera bump may be slightly larger. Apple has always focused heavily on photography, so it wouldn't be surprising if they introduced new camera advancements. However, if you're someone who prefers the more traditional iPhone design, the base iPhone 17 might be the best choice. But as always, choosing a standard model comes with some trade-offs. Since the base iPhone 17 is expected to maintain its previous design, it's likely that it won't have all the latest camera improvements or performance upgrades found in the Air and Pro models. But in reality, the gap between smartphone cameras and processors is becoming less noticeable in daily use. A slightly better camera or a marginally faster processor doesn't always justify spending hundreds of dollars more for an upgrade. Many Apple users are already making purchasing decisions with cost in mind. Some are even considering holding onto their current devices longer or opting for a more affordable model, like the iPhone Southeast 4, instead of upgrading to the iPhone 16 or iPhone 17. This shows that price is playing a bigger role in consumer choices than ever before. With smartphones reaching a level where even budget models perform exceptionally well, people are prioritizing value over having the latest features. This raises an interesting possibility. Could the base iPhone 17 become one of the most popular models? There's a good chance. While tech enthusiasts love the cutting-edge features of the Pro and Air models, the average buyer often looks for a phone that offers a balance of performance, price, and familiarity. If Apple keeps the cost of the standard iPhone 17 reasonable while ensuring it still delivers strong performance, it could attract a large number of buyers who aren't necessarily looking for a dramatic design shift. Apple's strategy this time seems to be about providing variety rather than forcing one design onto all users. By offering different models with unique design approaches, they're catering to both those who want something fresh and those who prefer something familiar. This way, Apple can appeal to a broad range of customers while still pushing forward with new design elements. The big question now is whether this approach will work. Apple has historically been known for introducing major design changes and expecting users to adapt. But with increased competition and shifting consumer preferences, they appear to be taking a more flexible route. Instead of forcing everyone into a completely new look, they're giving people options. So, where do you stand? Do you like the idea of Apple offering multiple designs, or do you prefer when they introduce a unified look across all models? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this update, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more insights on the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 is generating a lot of buzz, and the latest leaks suggest it could bring one of the biggest improvements we've seen in foldable phones. Samsung has spent years refining its foldable display technology, and now there's strong evidence that they may have finally made a major breakthrough in reducing the crease that appears on the screen when the device is unfolded. Anyone who has used a foldable phone knows that the crease in the middle of the display has been one of the biggest complaints. While last year's Galaxy Z Flip 6 showed some improvement, the crease was still noticeable, especially under bright light. However, if the latest reports are accurate, the Flip 7 could be the closest we've ever come to a seamless foldable display. This information comes from a well-known source who claims Samsung has made significant advancements in hinge technology. While it's unlikely the crease will disappear entirely, it is expected to be far less visible, which could make a big difference in everyday use. A smoother display would improve the experience when scrolling, watching videos, or playing games, making the device feel more premium. Beyond the crease reduction,